When using a washing machine, follow the following instructions. 1. When washing clothes with a washing machine, it is not advisable to use ordinary powder detergent or melted laundry bars. Use a washing machine detergent with low suds formula because it is formulated especially for washing machines. Your clothes will come out smelling fresh and clean. 2. Do not use too much detergent when washing in the washing machine. Too much detergent and too much suds will not rinse out well, and will leave a detergent residue on the clothes that may harm the skin. Furthermore, it will hamper the mechanical action of the washing machine. 3. Different clothes conditions such fabric, dye, weave type wash best in different water temperatures. Refer to the manufacturer's label for best results. 4. Non-water soluble stains such as paints, oil, grease, asphalt, tartar, varnish, soil, collodion, cosmetics, and shoe polish can be removed by wiping them off with a clean piece of cloth soaked in petroleum-based solvents like kerosene or paint thinner. Thanks for watching my videos. Click subscribe, like and share.